help the tens of thousands of partners that are in our supply chain network. We help them move up the supply chain, improving their overall order management orchestration. We really see it in 3 steps. Number 1, connect with your partners. There's millions of transactions that are going through the supply chain network on any given day. There's order acceptances, there's order changes, there's shipping notices. It's extremely important to automate and connect with your partners. Secondly, collaborate with your partners. This overall supply chain collaborations, the back and forth of managing the order management process, helps you with the third, which is orchestrate. Orchestrate your overall supply chain. There's changes that are happening every day. The more that you can have visibility into those changes and direct management of those opportunities, the better you can manage your supply chain.